right here. So let's move to the task 3.4 program. Here the write a Java program to convert Fahrenheit temperature to Celsius degree using the equation, using the formula given here. C is equal to F minus 32 multiply 5 whole divided by 9 whole. This is whole Kamil. So assuming the initial value is given for Fahrenheit, F is equal to 40. They have given the value, initial value 42 for F Fahrenheit temperature. For given Fahrenheit temperature, you need to convert to Celsius degrees. So here for a given means for input F, right? So by our simple mean of understanding, whatever in the right hand side here, whatever on the right hand the variable means 32 is constant, 5 is constant, 9 is constant. Now the identifier F is input, output is C. So we need the value of F and then and use this equation and print the result C. Okay, so we have two variables F and C. So let's write a program. Right click over the section package, create a class, conversion. Okay, just say temperature conversion, temperature, don't give space, conversion, and I'm writing big name here. Okay, conversion, and use public static, click finished. You have this, remove this one. So you have to see here the equation, you have two variables, right? C and F. So and this equation consists of divisions. So all this temperature means we have to use a double data type, right? No need to use integer, we have to use, because temperature measure in points, the measure value is also in points. So let's see here, double, first is F comma C, right? FCF, these two values. Now he say given value of F is 42. And here the second step is the initial value of F is 42, is already given with this input. So now use the formula. So C equal to F minus 32, bracket close, then multiply 5, see the formula, multiply 5, then whole divided by 9. We say whole divided, the whole equation must be enclosed in double quotes. Better you can enclose, then taqsim, I mean divide, division 9, then keep semicolon. That's it, that's the equation. Now print the result, system dot out dot print Celsius temperature varies. Right, that's it, clear. So for given F42 temperature, what is the temperature Celsius? So they save the program, run the program, you'll have a Celsius temperature 5.5555 something. Okay, so that's the temperature program which is given. You can change the values here. Okay, you can put it some value more than this one. Okay, so that's program simple here. I hope everyone understand this one. Okay, now let's I will do this one. Okay, I will do the second one, 3.5. So let's see, write a Java program to calculate the area of circle, using the equation. Equation is given, a is equal to pi r square, right? R is initial value, r 5.20. So what is this pi here? We cannot see this pi symbol in the keyboard, we cannot find this symbol, right? What is this? Pi is a constant value. So pi is a constant. Everyone knows what is the pi value here. Pi value equal to what is the value, you know? Pi value, so an input, this fixed, it's constant here. Pi equal to 3.14, 22 by 7 or 22 by 7, where I can say where pi is equal to 3. We have to use this. This is the knowledge. That's why know the value of pi here, right? So also a constant, right? So you can use 3.14 value here with multiplication with radius square, right? So let's see this one, area. So make it more readable. I can say area equal to pi r square. Okay, what is a? There is no meaning. area has a meaning, right? So let's see this one. I will complete this one. So you have one value input, output is area, r is input, and this is a constant value. So let's write a program, area of circle, right? So already we have area, I cannot use the same name. Circle, you can say here, I can just write it big name, class area of. Did you observe here? I start with capital A words first, next word capital A, capital again next word is capitals, right? So this is one convention of a Java convention. You have to use every word with capital. It start the beginning letter must be a capital. Okay, this is optional. You can use any name, but should not be duplicate within the same package. Click. So I have this one. So let's grow this one. Remove here. So first value is again it's also a double area, I can say radius, right? That's r is radius, right? That r is a radius. So let me, I will use r only, and output is area. So two values are there. Okay, two variables are there, and pi is constant. That's a number, right? So let's use this one. What is the given r value here? Are they given any r value? Say r is equal to 5.20, right? They have given this one. So equal to 5.20. Let's use the formula here. Area equal to pi. What is pi here? 3.14. You have to use 3.14 r square here. It's called, this is r square here. I'm using, instead of pi, I'm using 3.14, and r square means two times. You cannot use keyboard r square, right? You cannot use, two times. R multiply r. R multiply r. So use r, again multiply r, right? This is one thing here, and use semicolon. Not use different symbols. There is nothing, no symbol doesn't support, use error. And this is the formula. If you have many times, you have to use this one. There are some other approaches also, but right now we can use multiply the same thing. So this is pi r square. This is pi and this is r square. So you got this system here. System dot out dot print. You can say here area of circle is the value here, area, right? That's your program. You must know what is input, output, and just save it. You'll get the output here, run the program. That's it. You got 84. This one area. If you want to add some symbol, if you want to add some symbol, assume like this, I just want to add, I want to add some symbol to like units, centimeter, meter, square units, right? So just add plus for this one here. I want to add at the end some meters, right? Some value, some plus some symbols you want to add, right? You can some text, square units, text. I observe here carefully. With some space here. Run the program. You'll see square units. Okay. So although this is very big number, skip, we can have some other approach to use only two, but not necessary. So this is square units. This is optional here. Can use it or not. Okay. Just want to add this string number again string. So this is we use concatenation operator. This is once again a demonstration of concatenation operator. I hope everyone understand this program is very simple and similar to the previous programs. Now you can do these two programs. Okay, you can use these two programs, this program and temperature conversion with you. Then next we'll give the task. Okay, let me give 10 minutes to complete these two programs, then we'll see the task. Okay.